welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to uninstall programs off your Windows 10 PC that will not let you uninstall them. For example, here I have a program called Faulty Client, and as you can see, the uninstall option is greyed out, and I cannot uninstall this program. Even if I open up Control Panel and try and uninstall it through Control Panel, I still only have a repair option, and if I click this repair option, it still will not uninstall Faulty Client, the program. To uninstall programs that will not let you uninstall, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and press download, and we now need to go ahead and press save file, and once the program has finished downloading, we now need to run the program, and you will now have a window that looks like this. We now need to go ahead and press next, and we now need to select uninstalling. And you now need to find the program you want to install in the list below. I'm just going to search for Faulty Client, and there it is. You now need to also make sure everything is saved on your computer and close down any programs you have running, just in case the program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter needs to restart your computer, and it may restart your PC without giving you an option as well, just to make you aware of that. I'm now going to go ahead and press next. And you now need to click on yes, try uninstall. And as you can see, it's now trying to resolve the uninstall problem. And once this has finished, you will either end up with a window saying finish, all successful, or your PC will just restart and the program will be uninstalled. Okay, my PC did actually restart. I didn't get an option with a window to say finish, it just restarted automatically. Now Windows has restarted, I'm going to go down to the bottom left hand corner and right click and go onto apps and features. And I'm now going to type in Faulty Client, and we're just going to have a little look to make sure it's definitely been uninstalled from my computer. And as you can see, it cannot find the program on my machine anymore. And that is how you uninstall programs off Windows 10 when you don't have the uninstall option and it's greyed out. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials. And also don't forget to check out my forum at computersluggish.com. Don't forget to check out my social channels.